Hi guys, VST here, Velian Speaks Tech, and today I want to share with you guys the Oxygen AOD Mod. AOD as always on display mode, alright? So that's a feature I think that should be inside every Oxygen OS implementation, the stock one, but it's not there, right? So if you want to see what the hell it is, Oxygen AOD Mod, stay through this video and I hope you're gonna like it and install it, alright?
If you like my videos, you can subscribe for my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and you can also click on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you.
Okay guys, now what would happen when you receive a notification on your OnePlus 7 or OnePlus 7 Pro? So alright, so just testing, sending one from the phone of my wife, right? So the screen will light up, you're gonna get a notification, and if you have the chance to be somewhere near the phone, guys, then of course you can see the notification, right? In that case, I'm sending a test notification to myself. Now I have set the phone to lock out the screen in 15 seconds, so in the next 10 seconds, hopefully the screen will just go away. And that's it, alright? So let's say you went to the kitchen to brew yourself a coffee, make yourself a tea, or just, open a beer from the fridge. Now you go back and you cannot see that somebody actually wanted to get something from you or notify you with something. So what you need to do, you need to take up your phone, guys, and then only when you initiate a phone movement, only then the phone will light up and it will display this notification, right? And actually what I want to illustrate with this is that we know that this stock Oxygen OS does not have an always on display screen, alright? And it's a AMOLED screen, guys. So AMOLED screen and always on display kind of go hand by hand, right? I've been using Xiaomi phones for a while before I jumped and switched to OnePlus, and I can tell that the AOD is not really something that I use too often, but I want to have it for the cases that you need it. Because sometimes maybe you need to wait for somebody to send you something in the next 5 days, and then it's good to have it on. I don't really care for what reason, it needs to be there, guys. So what I want to introduce today is this Oxygen AOD mod, which kind of helps deal with the whole situation, guys, alright? So I found this here on the XJIOP tweet. So it's created by XJIOP, so shout out to XJIOP. So he's a junior member on the XJIOP forum. This app actually adds a few features to the OnePlus devices on AMOLED screens, and this is actually pretty much something that we need. But the key feature, guys, two key features: double tap on the AOD screen to open lock screen, and reminder about notifications. And let me just show the first one, guys. So when you double tap now on this screen, the screen will light up, right? But when the screen is light up and you double tap again, nothing will happen. And I'll show you guys what will happen when you are using this application. How the notification reminder works. So we have a n seconds to set a reminder interval that you will receive notifications. It will turn the AOD screen and show you the counter of missed notification. So apparently this app has been tested on the OnePlus 7's model running Android 10, but it should also work if you have a OnePlus 6, because guess what? They also don't have an AOD. But guys, without further ado, let's just go to the Play Store, download, install it, and show you how this thing works. So it's the Oxygen AOD Mod by XJIOP. So let's press install, right? Installing the application. Okay, now it's there. Just open the application, guys. Now, okay, we need to kind of set up some settings here. So the first setting is to enable the double tap. Double tap on the AOD screen to open the lock screen. Just enable that one, right? For this to be enabled, you need to click here and go to Oxygen AOD Mode and just enable the toggle, which will allow the Oxygen AOD Mode to have full control of the device. Don't be scared about that. So just put allow. Okay, now go back. We want to get the second feature, which is the notification reminders, which is pretty much like the bread and butter for the always on display. All right, so let's do it. We just switch here reminders, and then we need to enable Oxygen AOD Mode, press allow, then just go back to the application itself, okay? And now we see that we have the following options. We have the reminder interval, which is set to 15 seconds, and actually the lowest that you can go is, I think, 10 seconds. So if you want to get every 5 seconds a reminder, it will not be possible. It will say minimum 10 seconds. So let's go, guys, for 10 seconds. Let's put here 10 seconds, press OK. Okay, and then you get a warning that when the screen is off, the device operates in an energy saving mode, so the reminder interval does not guarantee the specified value. The delay can be up to 1 minute. Now, let's see, my tests up to now showed some very good results. Then you have schedule anytime, right? Because probably you want to just enable this, when it's important for you. Then you have categories, and then you have also sound settings, guys. And you get also an option to do test reminder, guys. Now, what I'm gonna do with you is just test it with another phone. But first, let me show you something, guys. So remember, the double tap will always wake up your phone, and that's it, right? When you're using like the stock double tap thing. Now, when you double tap, it's going to open up the screen. But when you double tap again, then, then the lock screen is gonna be shown off the screen, and that is actually one of the first features. So what we're gonna do right now is just send a test notification to myself. So test new reminder, let's put it like this, and let's see what will happen, guys. So the screen will light up, right? And that's the scenario where I'm going to the kitchen to take a cup of coffee or whatever. So I'm gonna back to my desk, and then by that time the screen is gonna be completely dead, right? Now, of course, I need to walk a little bit slower because still my screen is on, but I have set it to 15 seconds and boom, now it's dead. And what we need to wait right now is to see if we are gonna get like these reminders every 10 seconds, because remember, we have set the reminder interval to be every 10 seconds. Oh, okay, you see here? Oxygen AOD Mod, reminder 1, notification 1. Okay, so let's see. Now we're waiting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm just trying to count like these 10 seconds, guys, because every 10 seconds, remember, every 10 seconds we should be getting those reminders. The idea is to not take the phone, not initiate, a movement with the phone that will kind of like wake the screen, but just get a notification reminder on itself. Now we got it for the first time. Okay, second time, guys, reminder 2, notifications 1. All right, it's not 10 seconds. Let's just give it another test, guys. I will actually clear everything here. Now, if we set the reminder interval to 15 seconds, okay, here we have again the warning. Warning, when the screen is off, the device operates in energy saving mode, so the reminder interval does not guarantee the specified value. The delay can be up to 1 minute. Wake lock can solve this problem, but when you go here to wake lock, it's not recommended, guys. You should never switch this on because it will keep the CPU awake for a stable reminder only where there are notifications, and most probably this can lead to a battery drain. But okay, let's just test it for the purposes of the test. So I'm just gonna put wake lock here, leave my phone like this, close it. All right, and then let's do some further tests. So test 4. Remember, now we have set it to 15 seconds. All right, screen. Wow, okay, very fast this time. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, really, go on. No, I don't think so. Okay, good. Yeah, this time a little bit quicker. Cool, okay, new notification 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have to wait another 10 seconds, guys. Probably this runs a little bit more stable when using the wake lock function, but I'm not sure. Again, the alter of the app, yeah, okay, it's pretty stable here. Reminder 2, notification 2. So this, what I can say about this app, guys, apparently it does deliver what it promises. So 2 main key features. First one is double tapping on the AOD screen, which can open the lock screen, right? You see here, it does continue to work. And the second one is reminder about notifications. So I can only say that I approve this app. Let me just show you again the first feature. So double tap, wake the screen. Another double tap will actually show you guys. This one is really perfect. This implementation of double tapping should be already in the very stock Oxygen OS, but it's not, okay? And the second feature with the reminders is also quite niceful. So I can only say big thumbs up to XJIOP. Give the guys some credit on the XDA forum. Download the application, install it, test it. I hope you like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel and have a very nice rest of the day.